So in this Visme tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to edit the opacity of an image here on Visme. So once Visme is opened up on your device, what I want you to do is first off add an image into your design. So to do that, go to the left hand side of your screen, press on the Photos tab or the Photos logo right here. Then once you bring up the Photos page, I want you to scroll down and select a photo, or if you've uploaded a photo, you can select that as well. But for demonstration purposes, how about we select this photo right here of what appears to be a person doing some work on like a screen or something like that. So I'll make it a little bit larger so that's easier for you guys to see. Now, in order to edit the opacity, it's actually a pretty straightforward process. First off, what you have to do is select the photo right here. Go to the top left, make sure that this edit bar is selected. And if it is selected, it's going to be highlighted blue and this drop down option will be right here. If it's not, it'll look like this. I'll just go ahead and press on edit right here. Then go all the way to the bottom to where it says customize, and then press on the customize tab right here. Then if you scroll down again, you can actually change the opacity right here. So as you can tell, the opacity is at 100 now, but if you want to make it a little bit more see-through, a little bit more transparent, just slide this bar a little bit more to the left, and then you can make it a little bit more transparent and then edit the opacity this way. So a pretty straightforward process, but that's how you guys can edit the opacity of an image here on Visme. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.